accent defective. Call the Dialect Detective.
Hi, is this the Dialect Detective?
Speaking. I don't even know his name, but we schedule a call. He's so embarrassed he can't even show his face. It's the R sound. I'm trying to strip my English of every rolled R, but my future is not so bright. R's rolling like trouble on a train track. Were you bitten by a snake? No. A bee stung your tongue? No. Are you allergic to pineapple? No.
No, Dialect Detective, you're asking the wrong questions. American English doesn't have a rolled R sound. Many other languages do, though. But the big reason for this is because of placement. American English is using a lower placement.
What does that even mean?
It means that we're trying to project the sound from a lower position. For instance, can you hear a difference between r and r? When you do a rolled R like r, what you're doing is you're sending the placement super far forward, but American English has a lower placement, which makes it really hard to do that rolled sound. To give another example of this, start with a higher position R and send it down 5 times, like r. Can you hear the difference between that first one and the last one? In general, the lower placement one is going to sound more natural. A note as you do that exercise to send the sound down 5 times. The third or fourth spot tends to be the sweet spot because the fifth one tends to be too low and the first and second tend to be a little bit too high. Placement is going to help with R sounds that appear on their own as well as R's that appear in some very common combinations like tra, true, bruh, bread, pruh, pray, cruh, crop, druh, drink. Did you notice that truh and druh sound a little bit different to some of the other pairs?
Yeah, just like I can move my pinky down on this hand, but not this one. It's so hard.
Sure. Anyways, a truh sound with a TR has a very similar sound to a CH with a little bit of an R added after it. For instance, like in a word like true, truh, true, truh, try, truh, trust, truh, travel, truh, treat. I truly tried the travel on the trip. A DR or druh sound almost becomes like a j with a little bit of an R added after it. Druh, dry, druh, drip, druh, drain, druh, drink, druh, draw. I drew as drips dropped in the drain. Want even more practice with those? Try to say all of them with the tip of your tongue down against your bottom of your mouth. Truh, true, truh, try. I truly tried to travel on the trip. Druh, dry, druh, drip. I drew as drips dropped in the drain. That's right, for all those words and that sentence, I was able to say everything with the tip of my tongue down. Wait, stuck the dialect.
My client first noticed his rolled R's in the winter. So, where were you on the night of February 30th? Huh? Where were you? Where were you?
If that approach doesn't work for you, or for him, here's another approach that you can try. Shifting your focus. Instead of worrying about the R sound, let's worry about the vowels that come around the R sound. Let's use try as an example. I try. I try. Hopefully, when I say that, you can really hear the I try. One way you can check for yourself is just say try 3 times. Try, try, try. If you find that you're saying try, like a tra, then that's a sign that your consonant sound is a little bit too strong. Breaking it up into vowel sounds and then adding the consonants back in can also be done with sentences. The sentence try to travel by train can become I-a-l-I-a. Now we're focusing on the vowels. I-a-l-I-a. Then we can add the consonants back in. Try to travel by train. I-a-l-I-a. Try to travel by train.
Alright, so I have mapped every location, every person, every animal our client has been in contact with over the past few months.
Okay, but if that still doesn't work, then there's another technique you can try that honestly goes against everything that I typically teach, but it can be effective for trying to remove that rolled R sound in American English. It's to, I don't even want to say it, so I'm gonna let him do it.
Hold the consonant longer.
Try. You can hear that I'm not doing like
No.
or for instance, break or draw. What you can also do is to speed up a little bit to see if you have complete mastery. Try, 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 try. Or break, 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 break. Alright, there is one final technique, and it's to watch this video here because it's going to go over 5 extremely common sounds that the letter R makes.